How often have you felt like your business bank account is working against you, not for you? For many small business owners, those chunky monthly fees, the confusing transaction limits, and the sheer lack of clarity from big names like Chase, Wells Fargo, or Bank of America can feel like an unnecessary burden. You're trying to grow a business, not decipher a financial maze. But a new generation of business banking, led by digital platforms like Relay, is fundamentally changing the game. The traditional bank blueprint, fees and fences. Let's start with the big players. Traditional banks offer a full suite of services, like loans and physical branch locations, which is great for some. But their basic business checking accounts often come with a strict set of rules. You'll see monthly service fees, typically in the $15 to $30 range, that you have to actively waive. How do you waive them? By maintaining a high minimum daily or average monthly balance, often from $2,000 up to $10,000 or more. If your small business cash flow fluctuates, missing that target means you pay the fee. Then there are the transaction limits and cash deposit fees. Chase might give you your first 20 free transactions, Bank of America might give you 200. Go over that, and you're paying a fee for every single item. And if you handle a lot of cash, depositing more than a low limit, say $5,000 a month, incurs a charge per $100. These limits and fees make scaling feel like a punishment. Relay's digital-first approach, clarity and control. Now, consider Relay. Relay is a digital-first banking platform designed specifically for small businesses and modern bookkeeping. Their entire value proposition is built on providing financial clarity and control, often with zero monthly fees and no minimum balance requirements for their core business checking accounts. The biggest differentiator? Multiple checking accounts. Traditional banking offers one account with maybe an envelope system. Relay allows you to open up to 20 individual checking accounts, each with its own account and routing number. Why is this huge? It lets you instantly implement a system like the Profit First model, creating separate envelopes for taxes, payroll, operating expenses, and profit, all within a single login. This makes cash flow visible and incredibly easy to manage, instantly eliminating the guesswork that plagues so many small business finances. Plus, you get team control. You can issue physical and virtual debit cards, assigning them to specific checking accounts with customizable spending limits for each team member. No more guessing what Sarah spent on software. Deep integration. Relay is built to integrate seamlessly with tools like QuickBooks Online and Xero, providing rich, detailed transaction data that can cut your bookkeeping time by hours. The trade-off, where traditional still wins. So, why would anyone stick with a traditional bank? It really comes down to two key areas, cash deposits and in-person services. Traditional banks like Wells Fargo have thousands of physical branches. If your business is heavily cash-based, think a local restaurant or a retail shop. Depositing large volumes of cash in person is often non-negotiable and much easier than relying on ATM networks or third-party cash deposit services that digital banks use. Also, if you need a physical branch for notary services, a complex business loan,